Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BoxyCharm Luxe Box for the month of March. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, this is the last time we'll receive just a BoxyCharm box. It is so totally changing. BoxyCharm and its sister company Ipsy have merged. So starting next month, you'll see a whole nother setup with a whole nother description. But as of right now, if you would like any of the details as it stands right now, and the prices are set to not change, but the information will. But so if you would like to have the pricing on and the value of the items that are in the different tiers of BoxyCharm, that information will be in the description box below. So let's not delay. Let's just go ahead and jump in and see what it is that came in this month's Luxe box. Okay. All right, so when we open up the box, of course, there is our description card, which just says this is the spring 2023 Luxe box. Okay, and on the other side, of course, is the description of everything inside. Then we have our information card, and it says Ipsy and BoxyCharm, great on our own, gorgeous together. Meet Beauty's new dream team. The battle of the world's most beloved beauty subscriptions is over. We're bringing the best of both brands together to create the ultimate beauty membership with more perks for you than ever before. It's a match made in makeup heaven. The very first item that we have is by MCGRATH Labs, and this is the Celestial Nirvana eyeshadow palette, and it says infinite artistry awaits. This limited edition curated quintet of infinitely versatile hues features 3 finishes: sculpt and smolder in a sublime silk matte, illuminate like an icon in a shimmering foil, sparkle without caution in mesmerizing metallics. This provocative palette delivers opulent opacity in a single stroke while building luxuriously blended multi-dimensional color. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $36. And it says this is a 0.14 ounce size. The packaging is really pretty. I have to admit, it is very, very pretty. And it has a 12-month shelf life. And of course, this was the outer packaging, and the inside packaging is identical. Okay, now it is a 5-shade palette. And let's see what these shades look like. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. But how about that? Okay. How about that? Okay. Now we'll wait till the end before we swatch so we don't get our makeup all over anything else that might be here. So this is item number 1. We love Pat McGrath anyway, okay? Such an iconic brand. The next item that we have is by Iconic London, and this is the multi-use lip and cheek palette. Create a fresh-faced, pretty flush and a pop of pout, enhancing color. Featuring 6 multi-use dewy cream shades, this easy-to-use palette provides an instant pick-me-up to the complexion. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $55. And this one is a 0.42 ounce size, and it has a shelf life of 24 months. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right. It does give us the directions on exactly how to use it, but oh, these are beautiful. And you know, I may not necessarily use this as an eyeshadow palette. I'll probably use it more as lip color. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm looking forward to swatching this in the end. Okay, let's see if it has any names for these shades. I do not see them listed. Okay, no, there's no name. There are no names listed, but nonetheless, the shades are absolutely beautiful anyway. So this is item number 2. And then moving right along to the next item. This one is by Fenty Beauty. And this one is a Fenty skin product. All right. And it says Flash Nap Instant Revival Priming Eye Gel Cream with green tea and Parisian silk tree. Alrighty then. All right, it says fake 8 hours of sleep with this eye gel cream that reduces the look of puffiness and dark circles and plumps the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $34. And this one is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. And let's see. It has a 6-month shelf life, so don't open it until you're ready to use it. And of course, remember, whenever it has to do with the eyes, the tubes are always so much smaller because the eye area is much smaller, and they are most of the time concentrate. And it says use day and night under and around the eyes. It is designed for external use only. I'm sure I really should not have to say that, but we will, just to be on the safe side. Now, it doesn't say that it has a color to it. So, but on the box itself, it has like a white cream look. Okay, now this is item number 3. There's not much more that we can say about this other than the fact that we love Fenty products, you know, here on this channel. Okay, so the next item that we have is by Drunk Elephant. All right, and okay, I'm starting to build up my Drunk Elephant collection here. It's this one right here, and this is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub, and it says a supercharged AHA BHA acid blend that breaks down and dissolves dead skin cells and styling product buildup, while biodegradable, gently exfoliating beads sweep them away. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this is $36. That's really not that bad, okay, for a Drunk Elephant product. Now, the other thing is this is brand new to Boxy, and it is a 6 fluid ounce size, and it has plant oils, pH 3.7, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, now it doesn't really give us much more than that, other than this is a compilation between Drunk Elephant and Chris McMillan. You see it right there across the top. Okay, so I will be letting you know when we are trying this item, all right? That is item number 4. The next item that we have is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, okay? Yes, I already have it. Yes, we unboxed it not even 3 months ago, all right, when we had a premium box that was predominantly Tarte. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce size, and it is a cruelty-free product. And it has hyaluronic acid. It is vegan. It has algae in it. It is dermatologist tested. Squalene is also in here. And as it said in the description, 24-hour moisturization. Okay, so it says to massage onto face, neck, and décolleté using morning and night. All right, so this is item number 5. Now remember, this is the Luxe box, so there are at least 8 products in here. So let's keep moving. The next item that we have is by LYS Beauty. Oh my, that just brought an instant smile to my face. This is the Complexion Brush Duo. And it said effortlessly buff liquid, cream, and powder products into the skin with these densely packed brushes that seamlessly distribute product for an undetectable finish. I like that. Created with soft synthetic hair, these bristles maximize coverage while minimizing the amount of product needed to finish for a finished result you will love. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $30. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, these are brushes I do not have. No duplicates here. These are what these brushes look like. However, let's see. Oh, very nice. Dense and extremely soft. I like. Very much so. Okay. These might have to go out on my desk for a little while. They kind of have like, I know this sounds oxymoronic, but I promise you it's not. It almost has a rounded triangular shape. I don't know if you can really see that, but that's what they have. Look at that. Okay, and this one is a foundation brush, and this one is a sculpting and bronzing brush. Okay, pretty nice, pretty nice. And this one, these makeup item number 6. Okay, moving right along. There is still more in this box, okay? So the next item that we have is by KVD. And this is, I'm sorry, by KVD Beauty. Okay, and this one is the Tattoo Pencil Liner. It says an ultra smooth, transfer resistant gel pencil liner that has the iconic waterproof all day wear of the best selling tattoo liner. This pencil liner sets fast to lock in place on your lids and in your waterline. It's highly pigmented, versatile, and easy to use, so you can line it, smudge it, or go graphic. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22, and it is a 0.5 gram size or 0.0176 ounce size. The shade I have is Pyrolusty or brown. Okay, and this one actually has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and as with all of Kat Von D products, it says intensive pigment, ultra versatile, all day wear. Okay, and this is what that liner looks like. 12 months, I have quite a few liners open, but we'll think about it, okay? And by the time it's time for us to do a try on, I don't know if I want to open it, okay? And the last item that we have is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Lip Retreat Oil. It says, say hello to total lip hydration. This luxurious lip treatment offers the hydrating effects of an oil with the shine of a gloss. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $22. Okay, and it says that this one is a 0.33 ounce size, and the shade I have is called Skinny Dip. All right, so let's just see what Skinny Dip looks like. It has a 12-month shelf life, but it is a lip oil, which means we'll be using it. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and nice. How about this? Wow. Okay, that really made this pop a lot. So I guess this will be the one that sticks in my purse. Okay, so that is the last item in our March Luxe box. This was such an evenly balanced box. I love it. Okay, so in this box, we received skincare. Okay, and this one could be considered a gloss or a lip treatment. Okay, so we'll put that in the middle. Then we received a hair product, hair and scalp product to be exact. Okay, then we received tools, and then, of course, makeup. This was such a nicely balanced box. I love it. I absolutely love it. Okay, so shall we swatch? Here on the bottom, this is the bronzed mink and this is the bronzed illusion. What do you think? I like them. I like them both. Okay, so what are your thoughts? Tell me, share. I like, the items that we have swatched. I like them. I love this box. I love the assortment in this box. Okay, so if you've already gotten your Luxe box, which you probably have, today's, oh, happy St. Patrick's Day and happy birthday to my daughter. However, today's the 17th of the month, so I'm pretty sure you probably have yours by now. So if you have received it already, tell me how yours compare. Are we twins with the boxy boxes this month, or did you get something completely different? Let me know down below, okay? Now, I just want to tell you I thank you so... My apologies. I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BoxyCharm base. I'm sorry. As we unboxed our BoxyCharm Luxe box for the month of March. These are the items that were included. Whew, that was a little much. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is enclosed. Okay, now, please, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Guess what? And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. I've been told that should still be a part of this channel. So, in the meantime, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,